Musk's new partnership with Microsoft. Elon Musk and Bill Gates both are the greatest business magnates with an all-out net worth of around $350 billion. Elon and Bill are the absolute most influential individuals on Earth, just as consolable rivals whose conflict excites the world. In any case, there is a mystery that, in contrast to different instances of heated disagreement, they won't allow their individual sentiments to hinder a useful partnership. Business tycoons are teaming up to create a project which is going to become a global sensation. Are you curious to know more about this insane partnership? Hello everyone, welcome to Elon Musk Planet. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to never miss out on any news or updates on Tesla, its different projects, or anything else related to billionaire Elon Musk. So let's get started with the video. That being said, let's begin. Elon Musk and Bill Gates are collaborating on projects that could be a global sensation and will bring wide attention worldwide. We should admit that Musk and Gates don't generally agree about each other's opinions. Gates has recently made few remarks about electric trucks like the Tesla Semi not being suitable, and Musk counters those remarks as of late. Yet, he additionally added that he accepts Gates has a major short position on Tesla in February of the earlier year. Gates said during a meeting with a famous YouTuber that while Tesla had assisted with driving advancement and adoption of electric vehicles, he chose to buy an electric Porsche instead of a Tesla. There are also some of the instances where Bill, the richest and most powerful man on earth who additionally turns out to be a major voice in the environmental change community, was betting against Tesla, and things got heated up in July when Gates took issue with Musk's comments on the coronavirus pandemic in an interview. Gates criticized Musk's comments on the virus and implied that Musk shouldn't be speaking about the pandemic at all. Gates said, "Elon makes a great electric car and his rockets work well, so he's allowed to say these things, and I hope that doesn't confuse areas he's not involved in too much." Musk jokingly posted multiple tweets about Gates, including "Billy G is not my lover, and the rumor that Bill Gates and I are lovers is completely untrue." Musk then called Gates a knucklehead for criticizing his coronavirus efforts. They've been known to criticize each other very often on Twitter, but all of these will not stop Musk from partnering with a company that has made Gates one of the wealthiest people in the world. Microsoft settled on Starlink in light of the fact that it sees the benefit of working with the leaders in the space local area to expand the utility of its Azure capacities with overall satellite availability. Microsoft's motto is to engage its clients to accomplish more, and this Starlink association will assist the organization with unblocking admittance to its distributed computing administration any place the clients are. Starlink will give satellite availability to Microsoft's mobile data centers, forming a cooperative energy between Starlink and Microsoft Azure. Musk's company is associated with a couple of partnerships with Microsoft that could be the next big thing to happen. Microsoft's cloud-based software helped drive robust sales, and the profit growth, which analysts estimate for an 11th straight quarter, was damn high. Microsoft said Office software tapped via the cloud customers are expanding the numbers of user subscriptions they're buying and paying more for premium product tiers to get features like added security and voice controls. Microsoft Azure faces stiff competition from the market leader Amazon Incorporated, Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Google, while Azure revenue has been growing at a good pace. That's all thanks to the partnership with Starlink, that is, of course, with none other than Elon Musk. Starlink is SpaceX's ambitious plan to build an interconnected internet network with millions of satellites designed to deliver high-speed internet to anywhere on the planet. SpaceX will place satellites in low orbit, which will radiate web availability to individuals on the planet. The web access will have quick download and transfer speeds with little latency. Starlink is in beta, however, this isn't your normal beta program, as it already has in excess of 100,000 paying clients in more than 12 nations. SpaceX sells an interfacing dish for $500 and will charge $99 every month on a single payment plan. The service connects Starlink networks to Microsoft's data centers, including a new Azure modular data center product that's essentially a mobile unit about the size of a semi-trailer Starlink's. Global coverage helps make these data centers possible, as Microsoft says. The product is designed for customers who need cloud computing capabilities in hybrid or challenging environments, including remote areas, even off the grid, creating remote connectivity access, or supporting existing access. Tom Keene, VP, Microsoft's corporate of Azure Global, said in a video that was floated by the company that SpaceX is, of course, the name that people immediately think of when they think of innovation and the evolution that is occurring to bring space technology into the 21st century. notably Azure Global and the new space partnership set up by Microsoft and Musk's company to compete further with Jeff Bezos' businesses. Amazon offers a service to connect its AWS cloud to satellites. The Microsoft and SpaceX partnership will help both companies play a pivotal role in future and in US-based operations. Microsoft has already provided these modular centers to the defense and private sectors. They provide systems networking and self-sufficient data service for military mobile command centers, emergency relief centers, local mineral investigation locations, and other applications that require precision energy secure processing under such difficult conditions. What a historic partnership, opening up a new step for mankind. But wait, do you think this can be the only thing both have partnered with? SpaceX and Microsoft have also collaborated to build a satellite network that can detect nuclear weapon launches as well. As you know, SpaceX wants a contract with the Space Development Agency to build a new satellite which is designed to provide missile tracking for the Department of Defense from space using infrared sensors separate from the Starlink system in support of a space tracking defense system which is capable of detecting and tracking hypersonic missiles. This weapons technology is currently under development by both Russia and China since 2018. The Russian president unveiled new weapons and tweeted that the Russians would be able to defeat U.S. missile defense systems. According to reports, the Avant-Garde became operational in December. The Chinese government recently tested a missile that is capable of carrying a hypersonic glide vehicle for a contract worth approximately $150 million awarded to the U.S.-based development agency. SpaceX will use its Starlink satellite at its factory in Redmond, Washington-based company to build 4 experimental satellites outfitted with infrared sensors from an undisclosed company. Microsoft then announced, interestingly enough, that it's helping SpaceX as a subcontractor for the new Pentagon project, which aims to improve and expand the Department of Defense ability to detect missile launches. CEO of SpaceX Elon said in a video that SpaceX will deliver the government several satellites that host a capability to protect against ballistic weapons, and we were proud to have Microsoft on our team. The new development is capable of carrying nuclear warheads and other weapons of mass destruction. It will be detected early and might provide up to an hour of warning and perhaps help with an interception of the weapons. The company will be required to deliver the satellites by September 2022. And if all works well, the U.S. military could order up to 30 more of the tracking satellites to add to the system in the coming years. Before this partnership, Microsoft had worked with one more organization connected to Musk before. The software company put $1 billion into OpenAI, which Musk helped to establish. Musk is as yet a benefactor of the organization, however, he has ventured down from the board to avoid a situation as Tesla seeks after its own simulated AI endeavors. And that just about wraps it up for today's video. Let us know what you think about this massive partnership. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on recent updates related to SpaceX, Tesla, and these gigantic companies. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you in the next one. Until then, peace out.